Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how to cook a very simple yet delicious soup. It is not oily, but it is very tasty. First, we need 400 grams of potatoes. After we peel, it becomes 300 grams and 100 grams of carrots. Another ingredient is a medium-sized tomato. Then we need this versatile meat substitute. Please check out my other video about how to make this versatile meat. I'll put the link in the description. And another ingredient is cashew nuts. And we need these spices, which is staple spices in your kitchen: salt, some mushroom powder, without MSG of course, and some ground pepper, and last but not least, some roasted onions. But in here, you may opt it out. You can use it or not. Rinse the potatoes before you cut them. Also the carrots, peel the skin out, and then you can cut according to your style or your pattern. But please soak them in the water for potatoes because they will turn brown if you don't do that. And I always have these handy ingredients. Now let's have a look for all the ingredients. Cut potatoes, carrots, and then this handy and versatile meat substitute, shiitake mushrooms, and some tomatoes. And don't forget, we need cashew nuts, about 40 grams. So we have prepared all our ingredients here. We are going to cook them. Let us prepare about 850 milliliter of water. Bring it to boil. You can also add more if you need more soup. Set the stove at highest heat. Let's cover it to speed up the boiling process. It takes around 8 minutes to get boiling. Let's check it out. It should be boiled. And now we are going to put in the ingredients. I think we need to put in the cashew nuts first because they need more time to be boiled, about 20 minutes. So we need to boil them for 20 minutes at medium heat. And let's cover it to speed up the process. It's been 20 minutes. Let's have a look. You can see the nuts are floating. It means they are cooked. Let's put in the other ingredients. Put in the shiitake mushrooms and followed by the tomatoes. Then the carrots. And they need 5 minutes to get half cooked, so it is better we cook them for 5 minutes before we put in the potatoes. Let's filter them out from the soaking water. Put them in gently. And for these potatoes, we need about 15 to 20 minutes to get them boiled or cooked, and we need a medium heat to boil them or simmer them. Just put the lid half opened because as you can see the water level is high, so it's better not to put the lid closed completely. 15 minutes is past. We can have a look of this beautiful soup. Wow, it looks not bad. Look at it. No oil. Let's garnish it with salt. About 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of enhancer, a natural enhancer of mushroom powder. To get some heat in the cold weather, it's nice to put in some white pepper. And guys, if you cook for kids, you can skip the pepper. This soup is ready to be served. Let me try the taste. Good enough. So before I served, I usually cover it for 5 minutes and let it sit for 5 minutes. For this amount of soup, you can serve 4 to 5 persons. Let me try it. The potato is tender but not mushy. How about the cashew nut? It's tender. Oh yes, I forgot the roasted onions. Very tasty. This already soft. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next episode. Bye bye.